Right then, what we're going to cook tonight is a Chana Masala. The recipe book which we're using, the Leon Happy Curries, and then this is what the dish will look like so. So for this recipe, really basic. This should take you no longer than 10 minutes in total. Tin of chickpeas, half a tin of chopped tomatoes, onions which need to finely chop, green chilli, clove of garlic, garam masala, mustard seed, cumin seeds, 10 curry leaves, ground coriander. Really easy. I'm actually going to do this oil free. So all we're going to do is use some of the juices from the tomato, fry off the onions in that. So just to serve the Chana Masala, all you need to do is plate this up nice and decoratively. The curry leaf, place that on top for decoration, and then garnish with a little bit of the coriander for decoration. So here we have the Chana Masala. Really hope you're liking the show. Don't forget to look up the library. Don't forget to subscribe.